process.
That would be nice. Dr. Robert Kamenarek is with us in studio to talk about how to do just that, as well as how you can protect yourself outdoors this winter season. I've been chatting with Dr. Kamenarek. Thanks so much for coming in, by the way, during your weather. You have been giving me a prescription on how to take years off my life, right?
Absolutely.
and add years.
And don't we all? We all want to slow that aging process, because inevitably we're all going to do it. So how can we slow that down? How can we feel better, get up, feel energized? What we're all trying to do is slow down how fast we're oxidizing or decaying. Now, we've all been to the grocery store and you pick up some bananas and you put them on your kitchen table and they start to turn brown. Well, that's the fruit, it's oxidizing. But if you put it in the refrigerator, it slows it down. You're slowing down the aging process. So there's things that we can do to slow the rate at which we oxidize, which we age.
And that's the physical appearance of our bodies.
Exactly. You know, some people, you can see it on the outside. You look at their skin and their skin looks really weathered and old. Well, they're doing it on the inside as well. So we're trying to slow down that rate at which we're oxidizing. As we eat food, our body combines it with oxygen and we make energy. And in that process, we give off these things called free radicals. And those free radicals, they destroy our cells on the inside. What we want to do is slow that process down, and we can do that through a couple different ways. One of the most easiest ways to do it is through the foods that we eat. So we want to eat low-sugar foods and foods that are healthful for us. So lean meats like chicken, beef, fish, and eggs, leafy green vegetables.
Fresh, natural
fruits.
sources.
Right, you know, spinach, baby spinach, arugula, Swiss chard, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. I know it was Brussels sprouts, but one of the best foods that you can eat, mushrooms, onions, all help slow that cellular rate.
Mushrooms actually help?
Mushrooms.
I'm surprised, because I didn't really think there was a lot of nutritional value in mushrooms.
There is.
I love the taste of them, but...
There is, and mushrooms themselves have a high nutrient value, but very low calorie value. So you're getting a lot of nutrients with very low calories. Now, what we're trying to do is we want to get the sugar, our blood sugars, to be stable. We want them on the lower side, because the more sugars you have in your body, when you eat processed foods like cakes, cookies, candies, chips, sodas, we're making our blood sugar spike. And when our blood sugar spikes, we speed up the cellular turnover. We want to slow that down. So we do that through eating healthful, natural foods and not processed foods, and eliminating the one thing that we all want to get rid of, and it tastes so good, but sugar. Sugar is so toxic to our body, and it really destroys your skin. I mean, it'll make your skin older,
I am biting my lip
faster.
because I have mentioned numerous times on this show that I am such a sweet tooth addict. There are days where that's all I eat.
But it's not only the sweets. It could be breads. Are you talking about breads as well?
Sure,
or?
processed breads, as compared to you look at white breads. So there's certain carbohydrates that aren't as healthful. The processed carbohydrates, like the cakes, the cookies, the candies, the breads, as opposed to squash, zucchini, sweet potatoes, healthier, cleaner carbohydrates that'll help power up your body and get you through the day.
All right.
So slow down the inside, eat clean, and
drink plenty of water.
Right.
Of course, got to hydrate. You know, we're here in the mountains. We've been skiing all week. Got to make sure you drink plenty of water. Eliminate that sugar. And the most powerful prescription that your physician can give you is one for exercise. Regular exercise, aerobic exercise where you get that cardiovascular rate up, and strength training, so you strengthen those muscles, because strong, healthy muscles helps boost your metabolism, keeps things moving.
Exercise and eating healthy. Dr. Robert Kamenarek, thanks so much for coming in. You have a daily show out there in Cincinnati, Ohio, so if anybody's ever traveling,
Dr. Rob in the house.
Dr. Rob in the house here in Salt Lake today. Good to have you.
Thanks
so
for having
much.
me.
I'm going to try that, eating healthier, try and lay back on the